Speed Tour brings its full show to Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course June 25th through the 27th for the Mid-Ohio Vintage Grand Prix featuring SVRA, the Trans Am Series presented by Pirelli, International GT, Formula Regional, and F4 US Championship with a huge weekend car show. You do not want to miss Speed Tour at Mid-Ohio June 25th through the 27th. For tickets, simply go to midohio.com.